The Kuwait National Development Plan sets the nation's long-term development priorities. It's organized around 7 pillars or areas of focus for investment and improvement. Economy. Develop a prosperous and diversified economy to reduce the country's dependence on oil export revenues. The Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition, one of the most important monuments and landmarks not only at the level of the Kuwait Oil Company, but also in Kuwait in general. The exhibition recognizes the important historical role Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Al Sabah played in shaping modern Kuwait. The Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition is named after Kuwait's 10th ruler. The exhibition serves to answer any questions to the public may have about oil and gas and the important functions they play in our modern lives. The Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition opened on the 17th of October 2016, which is located at the entrance of Ahmedi. The completion percentage of the Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition is 100%. The Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition encompasses a total area larger than 60,000 square meters. The center holds exquisite displays and exhibits to make it one of the jewels in the region's crown. A key aim of the exhibition is to encourage young people to explore careers in the oil industry. The Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition includes the latest technologies. The Sheikh Ahmed Al Jaber Oil and Gas Exhibition serves a broader segment of the community, particularly students and researchers.
The government has launched a new long-term development plan dubbed New Kuwait Vision 2035. The launch of New Kuwait Vision 2035 represents a second attempt by the government to transform Kuwait into a regional financial and commercial hub for the Northern Gulf. Here from New Kuwait government account, completion of 97.2% of the Jaber Bridge project, Doha Link. Abdullah Salim Culture Center wins award for Best Engineering Projects in the Middle East and North Africa. The city of South Sabah Al Ahmed of the modern and upgraded projects in Kuwait. For more information or details regarding Kuwait Development Plan, please visit the website on the screen.
Which is spanned for 14 days, covering the 5 continents to 58 destinations around the world.
This press conference is about the evacuation of bringing back our Kuwaitis back to Kuwait. The number of people that we brought back is 28,168. Took 168 flights to bring them back. The airlines who participated in this work is Kuwait Airways, Jazeera, Qatar Airways and Etihad Airways.
The last stage included unscheduled trips through direct online reservations of international airlines in cooperation with the Kuwaiti embassies abroad to a number of cities in Australia, Europe, Asia, South America and Africa. The evacuation process included several preventive and health measures to ensure the health of citizens and the health of safety of society.
Al Ghanim International, on behalf of the Ministry of Health, has commissioned NBBJ and Gulf Consult to undertake the design of the Kuwait Cancer Center's new hospital building. The project was launched on March 23, 2014 and is 100% fully completed. This project, located in adjacent to the existing KCC facility within the Shweikh Medical District between Jamal Abdel Nasser Street and Al Jahra Road. The project is located on an area of 64.670 square meters, while the space of Kuwait Cancer Center's new hospital building is 301.674 square meters of the total area. The new 618-bed facility will be built to the latest modern healthcare specifications in order to maximize patient recovery and medical staff performance. The 15-story building includes all the relevant departments essential to a state-of-art cancer treatment facility, including radiology, surgery, laboratories, pharmacy, physiotherapy, and psychology. The building also incorporates inpatient and outpatient facilities. The outpatient functions are zoned in the west building, closest to the building entry, and parking garage for easy access. The design considers environmental aspects and aims to achieve the silver rating requirements of the U.S. Green Building Council's LEED rating system. The sustainability of the interior design relies on natural light, views, and selection of materials. The south facade, which has the most continuous sun exposure, has deeper shading to protect its glazed areas. Exterior shades are being designed to maintain generous views to the outside. Green roofs are also introduced to provide improved views to patients and staff. The atrium roof has likewise been adjusted with green roof areas to allow for a better connection to nature for patients on upper floors. The open space available on site and the courtyards adjacent to the atrium space will provide an exterior shaded area off the main interior spaces in the hospital. Shaded areas are being provided for patients and staff to rest while they're waiting to be picked up. All these features will create a facility which will promote healing through technology and nature with limited adverse effect to the environment. Car parking of the project accommodates 1,950 cars. The cost of Kuwait Cancer Center's new hospital building project is 172.959 million Kuwaiti dinars.
The Kuwait Cancer Center is a newly proposed state-of-the-art medical facility catering to cancer diagnosis and treatment. Located in Al-Sabah Medical District in Kuwait City, this iconic landmark is said to become one of the largest cancer treatment centers in the world. And as social media responses toward Kuwait Cancer Center, please let's read together up on the screen. Ghali Dhifiri said, Al-Sabah Hospital and Kuwait Cancer Center project in Kuwait. And from Gulf Development account, it's one of the best health centers specializing in cancer treatment, is located in the Sabah area, and it will be a great addition to the service in health in Kuwait, and it's expected to be completed by the Ministry of Health in 2018 at a total cost of about 175 million dinars. And from Mashroua Kuwaiti account, Kuwait Cancer Center is a new hospital being implemented and one of the world's largest cancer treatment centers, and completed in 2018. And from Ministry of Health media account, total number of the beds in the Kuwait Cancer Center development to 1,282 beds. Here George said professional treatment for cancer, and Mohammed Ghanem said professional healthcare providers. And in the end, from New Kuwait government account, the future of healthcare in Kuwait.
The Senate volunteer team, in cooperation with Sabah Al Ahmed Center for Development and Innovation, distributed face masks to working cadres at the front lines.
The aim of this participation is to help front lines from doctors, volunteers, to be protected using PPE equipment since there's a shortage in them.
The initiative came in conjunction with the recording of some infections among workers at the front lines, and it became necessary to harness all capabilities to support their efforts and to provide them with protection.
Very good and very effective participation. It's an honor for us to participate in this one.
I want to thank you very much this society for Loyal Society in all the Kuwait, and we are stand together to save Kuwait, and I hope all the good and everything good to our country, to our second country, Kuwait.
The team delivered the first batches of masks to doctors, nurses, as well as volunteers and workers in some cooperative societies and the civil defense.